12 compelling reasons to consider using castor oil before bedtime. Have you ever pondered the enduring popularity of castor oil as a remedy? For centuries, it has been valued for its ability to enhance skin radiance, promote hair health, and even improve sleep. This remarkable oil is brimming with benefits that can be unlocked, particularly before bedtime. In this video, we will explore 12 compelling reasons why castor oil may hold the key to improving your overall health and well-being. Join us as we unveil how this simple oil can potentially transform your life overnight. 1. Improves joint health. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce swelling and pain in joints, particularly beneficial for those with arthritis or chronic pain. Ricinoleic acid also inhibits inflammatory substances like prostaglandins, calming the body's natural inflammatory response. Deep tissue penetration. When castor oil is applied to joints, it penetrates deep into the skin and tissues, providing lubrication to the joints, reducing friction, and improving mobility. Enhanced flexibility. The reduction in joint stiffness and pain allows for greater ease of movement, especially in the mornings when joints are often stiff. Castor oil can help improve blood circulation around the joints. Increased blood flow delivers more nutrients and oxygen to the joints, aiding in their regeneration and recovery. Better blood circulation also helps remove toxins that accumulate in joint tissues, minimizing the risk of inflammation and damage. 2. Aids sleep problems. Castor oil possesses soothing properties that can calm the body and alleviate nervous tension. Applying it to areas like the eyelids or temples can induce a sense of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Combining castor oil with essential oils such as lavender or rose can enhance its calming effects, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of well-being through aromatherapy. While there is no specific research on the direct impact of castor oil on melatonin, its ability to soothe the nervous system may indirectly support the body's natural melatonin production. Castor oil can also help reduce the stress hormone cortisol, which can make it easier for the body to relax and fall into a deeper sleep. 3. Relieves constipation. Castor oil can help stimulate bowel movements, meaning it encourages the muscles in your intestines to contract more effectively, moving food and waste through your digestive system. This speeds up the movement of food, reducing the time waste spends in your intestines and helping to alleviate constipation. Ricinoleic acid is produced when castor oil is digested. This acid stimulates receptors in the intestinal lining, promoting contractions in the small and large intestines. Castor oil can provide fast relief from constipation, typically within 2 to 6 hours after ingestion, making it a quick option for those seeking relief. Castor oil helps retain water in the intestines, softening stools and reducing discomfort and pain during bowel movements. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing chronic constipation, as it helps prevent anal fissures and hemorrhoids by reducing pressure and minimizing damage. 4. Enhances hair health. Castor oil promotes blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles, which can encourage healthy hair growth. It contains ricinoleic acid, a compound that stimulates hair follicles and supports hair growth, even in areas experiencing hair loss. Castor oil can also be used to thicken and lengthen eyebrows and eyelashes due to its ability to promote natural hair growth. Castor oil is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This helps to keep your hair hydrated, resulting in a softer, smoother appearance. The oil also forms a protective layer around your hair strands, preventing moisture loss and shielding it from environmental stressors like sunlight, heat, and pollution. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, such as omega-6 and omega-9, which strengthen hair strands and reduce breakage. Regular use can also help repair damaged hair and prevent split ends. 5. Boosts the immune system. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels throughout the body that plays a crucial role in removing waste, toxins, and maintaining fluid balance. Castor oil can help support the lymphatic system's function. When applied to the skin, it stimulates lymphatic circulation, aiding in the removal of toxins and cellular waste. Improved lymphatic flow allows the body to more effectively eliminate harmful substances and enhance its natural defense mechanisms. Lymphocytes play a crucial role in the immune system, defending the body against bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Some studies have shown that the use of castor oil, particularly in the form of warm compresses, can increase the production of lymphocytes, potentially enhancing the body's ability to fight infections. 6. Heals small wounds. Keeping wounds moist promotes faster tissue regeneration as new cells thrive in a favorable environment. This also minimizes the risk of scar formation. Castor oil creates a protective barrier on the wound surface, promoting moisture retention and preventing dryness and peeling. Castor oil possesses natural antibacterial and antifungal properties due to its ricinoleic acid content. This helps prevent infections caused by bacteria or fungi, both of which can hinder wound healing. Applying castor oil to wounds creates an environment that is unfavorable for bacterial and fungal growth, promoting wound hygiene. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe inflammation, reduce swelling, and redness. This is important for wounds, as inflammation can delay healing. Castor oil also possesses natural pain-relieving qualities, helping to alleviate discomfort or soreness associated with wounds. Castor oil promotes cell regeneration, aiding in the faster recovery of damaged tissues. This process is particularly beneficial for minor cuts, scrapes, or post-surgical wounds. By moisturizing and stimulating tissue regeneration, castor oil helps minimize scar formation on the skin. 7. Cleanse dentures. Dentures can create a moist environment that is conducive to the growth of bacteria and fungi. This can lead to infections or conditions such as oral thrush caused by Candida fungus. Castor oil possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties due to its content of ricinoleic acid, a potent compound. When used to clean dentures, castor oil helps eliminate bacteria and prevent the formation of Candida fungus. Improper hygiene for dentures can lead to inflammation of the oral mucosa, resulting in swelling, redness, pain, and discomfort. This is a common issue among older adults. Castor oil plays a crucial role in denture care. It effectively cleanses the denture surface, removing plaque and bacteria, thereby reducing the risk of oral mucosal inflammation. Removing plaque. Dentures are prone to plaque buildup from food and beverages. Coconut oil helps naturally clean this plaque without damaging your dentures. Gentle on dentures. Unlike some harsh cleaners, coconut oil does not abrade or damage the surface of dentures. 8. Reduces inflammation and pain. Ricinoleic acid, the primary component of castor oil, possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties. It works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory substances such as prostaglandins and cytokines. Chronic inflammation, which can contribute to various health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes, can be alleviated by castor oil. This soothing effect helps prevent long-term damage caused by persistent inflammation. Castor oil contains fatty acids that promote blood circulation to the affected area, providing relief from muscle aches, joint pain, and inflammation. This natural pain reliever effectively addresses conditions such as joint pain, muscle soreness, menstrual cramps, and nerve pain. Joint pain and inflammation. Castor oil can soothe swelling, pain, and stiffness in joints due to its ability to penetrate deep into the skin and surrounding tissues. Regular massage with castor oil may improve pain in patients with arthritis. Muscle pain. After exercise or overexertion, applying castor oil to tight muscles can help reduce pain and relax the muscles. Menstrual cramps. Massaging castor oil onto the lower abdomen can help reduce uterine contractions and alleviate menstrual cramps. Inflammation and swelling from injuries. Castor oil can help reduce swelling from injuries or bruising due to its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve blood circulation. Castor oil can help reduce fluid and toxin buildup. The lymphatic system is responsible for removing waste and excess fluid from the body. If this system becomes congested, swelling and inflammation can occur. Castor oil stimulates lymphatic flow, effectively reducing swelling and inflammation. It can also improve blood circulation. When applied to the skin, castor oil helps increase blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the inflamed area while removing toxins. Castor oil can help soothe insect bites, reducing swelling and inflammation. Applying castor oil to bruises can also help speed up healing and reduce pain. 9. Treats fungal infections. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a compound with natural antifungal properties. This acid inhibits the growth of fungi and kills them, helping to cleanse infected areas. Castor oil also creates an unfavorable environment for fungal growth and spread, effectively controlling infections. Castor oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the affected skin, reducing swelling, redness, and discomfort. It also helps alleviate itching, a common symptom of fungal infections. Preventing dryness and flaking. Fungal infections often cause the skin to become dry and flaky. Castor oil helps moisturize the skin, softening dry areas and improving the overall condition of the affected skin. Promoting cell regeneration. Castor oil stimulates the regeneration of new skin cells, helping the affected area to heal faster. 10. Moisturizes dry skin. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its exceptional water-retaining properties. This helps maintain the skin's natural moisture levels. Castor oil forms a protective barrier on the skin, preventing water loss through the epidermis. This keeps the skin feeling soft and hydrated. Unlike many moisturizers that only work on the surface, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin layers, providing hydration from within. Castor oil is known for its ability to soften rough patches of skin, such as elbows, knees, and heels, which tend to be drier than other areas. Its deep moisturizing properties help prevent dryness, flaking, and cracking, especially during winter or in dry environments. Castor oil promotes the growth of new skin cells, helping your skin recover quickly from dryness or cracking. It also helps prevent premature aging, as dry skin is more prone to wrinkles. Castor oil's moisturizing and regenerative properties help reduce the signs of aging and leave your skin looking smoother. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This helps soothe irritated, red, or itchy skin caused by dryness. Castor oil is a natural, gentle solution that is suitable for even the most sensitive skin. 11. Promotes healthy digestion. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which stimulates the smooth muscles in the small intestine, promoting bowel movement and aiding in the passage of food and waste through the digestive system. This natural laxative effect helps soften stools and makes bowel movements easier, making it beneficial for individuals experiencing constipation. Castor oil can help cleanse the intestines, removing waste and toxins that accumulate in the digestive tract. This can lead to improved intestinal function, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more effectively and contributing to overall well-being. Castor oil can foster a healthy environment for beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to a balanced gut microbiome. Its antibacterial properties help control the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the small and large intestines. When used appropriately, castor oil can also alleviate symptoms of bloating, indigestion, and abdominal pain caused by inflammation or intestinal spasms. Detoxification. Castor oil supports the liver and intestines in eliminating toxins, promoting digestive health and preventing chronic digestive issues. Reducing waste accumulation. Regular use of castor oil helps prevent constipation and reduces the risk of long-term waste accumulation in the intestines. 12. Induces labor. Castor oil can stimulate bowel movements, acting as a strong laxative. This increased intestinal activity can also affect the uterus, potentially leading to uterine contractions and initiating labor. Additionally, castor oil encourages the body to produce prostaglandins, natural hormones that soften the cervix and stimulate uterine contractions, ultimately helping to start labor. After 40 weeks of pregnancy, castor oil is often used to help induce labor in women who are full-term and whose babies are ready to be born. For women experiencing slow labor or incomplete cervical dilation, castor oil may help stimulate the process. Castor oil is considered a natural, non-invasive approach to labor induction compared to medical methods like medication or mechanical interventions. It allows expectant mothers to avoid the potential side effects of labor-inducing medications. Now that you've discovered the remarkable benefits of castor oil, we encourage you to experience them firsthand. Whether you're seeking improved sleep, lustrous hair, or relief from joint discomfort, castor oil offers something for everyone. Which benefit are you most eager to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to show your appreciation with a like and subscribe for more insightful health tips. Remember, small changes can lead to significant transformations. So why not begin your journey tonight?